Hello guys, this is Rockefeller and welcome to my 5th devlog. In today's video I'm going to show you everything I've done over the past few days, and afterwards I'll show you how I did it. So the first thing I did was go through the game info instance and change some of the functions so that only the required ones remained. With the load and save game, I've made it one file instead of two, so there's less code and then only one file for the player info save. Player info has also changed a bit. It now consists of 3 loadouts, medals and tokens which will be the game's currency, levels and experience to show how far the player has got. There will also be settings which will have its own data type, loadout and settings are here. The loadout has a camo, pistol, primary weapon, secondary weapon, grenade and melee, which you can see was inspired by the loadout page. And then settings is the same as it was before with all the different keys, volumes and sliders. Now the next thing I did was with the player. I re-imported all the animations again and renamed them. Here's the grenade toss animation. We have a new melee animation. And I've also split it into pistol animations and rifle animations. Now the mesh has been changed too. As you can see here, this is the final character I'm going to use. I created this in a piece of software which I recently found out has been discontinued, but it works for me really well. And I made different camos I want the player to unlock as they level up. I think the best was the blue camo you can see here. Now to differentiate between the rifle and the pistol, I've created 2 different blend spaces. This is the pistol walk blend space, which goes between idle and walking in each direction. And then the rifle blend space, which is the same as before. I put these together in the animation blueprint and changed it so below the spine it will use the blend spaces, and above it it will be where the player is aiming. It goes between rifle and pistol depending on what's equipped. And it will go from idle to walking if the speed is above 10. So if I set the speed to 450, you can see it go to rifle walk, and if the pistol is equipped, it goes to pistol walk. And the event graph gets the information from the player, such as crouching, sprinting, reloading, and pistol equipped. That's about everything. Anything else will be covered in the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now at the start of day 13, the character change wasn't working, and when I looked into the code, I found the character check was left empty, so I had to add the code for that. Next, I worked on enabling the start button, and that was all I did today. The rest of the day I spent going through the code, finding all the current errors, and starting to think about how each could be fixed. For day 14, I copied the code from finding and creating games to the game mode buttons. When it's pressed, it will look for a game, but if one isn't found, it will create a new one. I deleted the settings save file and added it to the player info one along with loadouts. had a lot of errors due to the changes in save files. First I fixed the main menu. And then I fixed the options menu. On day 16 I imported my final character. I started making different coloured camos for the player to unlock. Here's the camo material. imported the animations again. And here's the animation blueprint which I explained at the start of the video. Thank you all for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, leave a like. I hope to see you all in the next one.